Hi all, previous episode was finished on successful launching of the engine, but there was few errors in body computer. One error was related to sensor of turbo pressure, and the problem there is that connector was not fully attached. So we have just attached those connector and those error is gone. The next error was related to pressure of the fuel. But after few revs, those error is disappeared, and seems it was related to some air in fuel pipes, because when we were removing engine, we have disassembled fuel pipes, and I think that there was some air inside. So those error is gone. And the final error about which I was not sure was in gearbox, and it was saying that some problem with valves. I was not sure what this error about, and was afraid that some problems with gearbox. But after further investigation, I found that those error was related to ABS sensor. So this ABS sensor is damaged. It was from the right rear side. Those wheel was not damaged at all, but inside on wheel hub we have some magnet stripe with which ABS sensor is able to understand speed of the wheel. So those magnet stripe was damaged, and parts of those magnet stripe damaged this ABS sensor. So currently I'm waiting for this sensor from factory, and meanwhile to not waste the time, I decided to move car to body shop, where my friends will be able to prepare car for paint, attach all body panels, see if everything is okay with frame, with this frame, because all points of attachments here have big gaps. So you can make this, for example, this frame upper for 1 centimeter or down for 1 centimeter. So here will be a lot of work in attachment, in making all body look like from factory or even better. One of my friends gave me a Dodge Ram with trailer, so I will be able to use it to transport 4C to new place where guys will be preparing her for paint shop. So now we starting the engine, removing car from this garage, putting it on the trailer, and we'll go to new place where all look of 4C will be completed. I still not sure about the color, because car from factory, as you can see, is white, and it's Nardi white. It's very beautiful metallic color. So I'm not sure, keep this color or maybe make it in red, Rosso Competizione maybe, not sure yet. I still thinking about this, so you can also put your thoughts into comment and say which color I should pick for this car. Maybe you love it in yellow, there also was yellow, and the latest 4C was also in green color. So I will read your comments, and maybe I will change my decision. So now we are ready to go. Let's take 4C to body shop and prepare it for painting.
На серці знов чомусь журба, кришталь нагадують слова, лежать розбиті на підлозі, нам по дорозі. Знову день, знову ніч, і знайома кожна річ, але ж є два перших кроки до весни, вмиваючись дощем рясним, десь у мережеві стежин. Ти не один, а місто як з каміння сад, будинок кожний як гранат.